I've watched several of the videos about making these RV stabilizer jacks, so I decided to go ahead and make a set. This is just a little quick overview here of what I did. These are basically 2x4s that I've got at 32 inches long. One end is just got a 45-degree cut on it that goes to the ground. This part I cut a couple of 45s on it, and a little bit of a flat on top there, so that fits up underneath the frame on the camper. And then instead of using the eye bolts to hook the ratchet straps to, I put on these D-rings, so that way when I'm not using it, they lay flat, a little bit better for storage. And I've got just a 1-inch ratchet strap with the S hooks on it. So I'll get these installed and show you how I have them installed and a couple of little modifications that I made to it. Okay, so now I got them installed here. You can see I got this one on this side with the ratchet strap that goes across to the other side. And I'll show you up under here how it fits. You can see how it fits up under that top corner inside that frame channel there. And then the ratchet strap hooks onto here. One thing that I'm not real fond of is it's kind of a pain to reach under here and use the ratchet because it's so far on these particular straps. It seems like it's kind of long in here. Some shorter ones might help a little bit, but it's still kind of a pain to get under here to ratchet it and kind of control the strap. So I had an idea for a slight modification, and I'll show you. I did this one set on the front. Got these already set up, but what I did was I took the eye hook off over here, put it up here on the outside, and ran this so the ratchet is here. I cut a slot for the strap to go through and to the other side. That way there I got the ratchet handle right here. Nice and easy and convenient right here in front, outside. Again, it might be a little bit different with a different length here, but it's easier than trying to reach way under and trying to use the ratchet under there. So, and it still fits up under the channel like it should, and everything's tight. I think that's going to work out pretty well.